Hi, my name's Paul Gardner from Local Web Consultants. This is a message for the owner of Van Goss Commercial Cleaning Service. I've made this video because I believe I can actually help you to get more customers from your website. Now, I've been looking at your website and I've noticed it's got quite a good layout. It's got some good information. It's got your services. It's got good colours. So it's actually quite a nice looking website. So I'm assuming that with this type of website, you're possibly getting a lot of visitors. Now, are you aware that 96% of website visitors actually leave a website without taking any type of action? That means for every 100 website visitors you have, 96 will leave without contacting you. Now, obviously, you want to stop that from happening. So the best way of doing that is to capture 100% of all your visitors. Now, I have some software which will allow you to do just that. It will allow you to actually capture 100% of all your website visitors. And then by doing so, you're actually being able to then be in a position to actually reach out and market to these website visitors and put your brand in front of them for over a period of time, from say 30 to 60 days or even 90 days. And by doing that, it'll actually enable you to actually turn those potential visitors into customers. Now, I'm making this software available to two cleaning companies within the Cheshire area at no cost to yourself. So if you'd like to get access to this software, please reply back to this message with, I'm interested, and I'll actually save you a spot and actually send you the actual software over to you. So look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.